guys, so today I'm unboxing this iPhone 5 I ordered. So the reason I ordered it because it's running iOS 7.1, iOS 7. I don't know what iOS version of iOS 7 is it, but I'm unboxing it right now. Let's get into it. So they sent me this. Hopefully I don't cut into the phone. It's this way. I'm super excited right now. This is my first iPhone 5. Ooh. And here's the iPhone. Hopefully they didn't update it because it's iOS 7 on the screen, but they might update it. Ah, nice. So here's the card thingy for your sell detail and return and stuff like that. And here's the iPhone 5. Oh my god, it's actually a really beautiful iPhone. Here it is. Let's see if I can juice. Oh, it's dead. So I need to charge it out real quick.